The following is a brief demonstration of the power of SureCount's image recognition program, which manages electronic project plans typically being sent by email or downloaded from the internet today. SureCount will not only pay for itself by saving significant reproduction costs to print project plans, but more importantly, greatly reduce the time it takes to count and measure project symbols and footages. Now in this example, this is a school floor plan of a communication systems layout, and there's a number of symbols on this drawing, and what I'm going to do is identify a particular symbol that I want to count on this drawing. This intercom speaker as an example. What I can do is create a symbol identification and a description for it, pick a color that the program will identify during counting, and also as an option create a labor rate, installation hours, and material dollars for this particular symbol or cable footage measured by foot or per each, and use to produce some budgetary unit pricing for the project as well. Now, the demonstration of counting of this project, simply I will select the entire drawing, and my project symbols on the right hand side can be broken into or categorized into symbol groups for different systems that I may have, and I've got a number of systems symbols already laid out here, and what I'm going to do is count the PA system components and count all three of the selected devices here and let the program do the counting for me. The program is going to scan the drawing 3 times for the 3 selected symbols, but within a fraction of the normal manual time it's going to finish. It's making the 3rd scan right now, and it's compiled here on the top right 9, 58, and 50 of the 3 symbols. By zooming in on the drawing a little closer, the program is automatically counted and highlighted just like any manual estimator has been doing for years, but done it in a fraction of the time. To make a quick measurement, I'm going to now do a backbone measurement between 2 rooms, and I'm going to measure this 24-strand multimode fiber from IDF1 to TR1, and I'm going to draw an orange line and basically come out of the bottom room here on the bottom portion of the drawing, up the hallway, and back into this other room, and I've drawn a line here with a linear measurement of just over 127 feet. I can quickly make some circuit measurements. I'm going to run some speaker cable out of a rack out of this one telecom room, and measure my speaker runs at just under 98 feet at this point. I can turn on all the different layers after counting all the devices and have a quick reference of all the different systems, or turn one system on, look at the card access system, and see all the door entry devices on one particular symbol group or layer. I'm going to generate a quick count sheet report here that will look at all the symbols for a particular symbols group and all the different drawings. So all the card access has been compiled and only one drawing has been counted here, but you get a cumulative total for the project with all the other drawings as you went through and counted the remainder of the project. You can look at the cumulative total of all the different symbols for the entire project based on drawings, similar to the symbols unit group. But here's a list of all the different symbols in the project, for all the project, totaled at the bottom. The reports can be exported to Excel so that you can generate additional information based on the user customization. Also, printing of these documents with the highlighted drawings, with the measurements highlighted with the symbols, can also be printed out at the same time. And one last report is a unit price report that can break down all the different systems based on symbol groups, individual counts, and create a unit price based on material, labor, unit price, and extension of the individual quantities of all the individual system quantities and footages for the project.